are online patent filing companies in the US compared to traditional law firms. Well, and I don't know exactly what this person means by online patent filing companies.
Maybe
I
like
would,
patent agents? Is that kind of what like
well,
more of a patent
well,
agent feel?
yeah. So in order to get a patent, you have to file a patent application. And you can do that either by yourself, don't recommend it, or you can hire someone to help you. Now, if that someone that's going to help you is properly registered, credentialed, they have to be either a patent agent or a patent attorney. So both of those individuals can be part of a law firm or acting on their own. So you're talking about companies. So if a company is representing you and they're filing patent applications on your behalf, representing inventors, they're effectively acting as a patent filer. And so online, what's the effectiveness, whether it's online or traditional? I suppose that means brick and mortar. Really nothing in terms of what's actually filing in your rights. Effectiveness, I'm biased because Bold Patents is virtual and we're online. So I say online is a whole lot more effective. You're right out of the gate going to save overhead. We're not paying rent. We're not paying any real estate taxes or fees. You're not having to drive into an office, sit in a lobby, and look at our mahogany. So you're saving overhead right there without even considering staff, maybe some inefficiencies with like water cooler stuff, donuts in the in the office, all of that potentially being, counterproductive to what you want as a client. So there's a lot of things that sort of lean, in my opinion, toward being more effective as an online patent filer, patent attorney, patent law firm, patent agency.
Yeah.
Hope that helps answer that. Did I miss anything with that, you think, Matt?
No, I think you nailed it. Just you and I have been around the block, the last 15, 16 years or so. And I've definitely seen, more success, obviously, with the online niche legal services groups like yours, right?
Yeah.
Where they're focused, on one sector of law or, one
Yeah.
vertical. It's much harder to do when you have a general practice online firm because there is something to be gained for having different groups of people in the same room or building
Yeah.
occasionally.
Yeah. I'm just thinking right now, the only, the times I think where an in-person relationship could make a difference is if for a larger client, and let's say a corporate client,
Yeah.
or the attorney actually comes in-house and sits with the engineers, the R&D teams, presents, has an ongoing, maybe even partial or full-time role in-house at that technology company where you're harvesting, putting together processes. Then it might make sense, right, to share space physically. But
Yeah.
I think the old model is kind of going away.
Yeah, it's an interesting question about how effective anyone is at, patent filing or trademark filing. It's really
Yeah,
hard to quantify.
yeah,
I think on the trademark side, if I were to go, I haven't pulled the numbers in a long time, but we've been using AI more recently, which means that we've done two things. One, we're probably increasing the effectiveness of our responses using that tool. And
yep,
then the second thing is that we're leveraging it just more, right? So we're being more generous with our clients in terms of what we're willing to do for them because we have these tools at disposal. And so I would imagine that we've both increased, the percentage of trademarks that we're responding to office actions for, and then also hopefully the effectiveness of those responses.